What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another reaction video. So today we're going to be checking out a brand new band. The band we're going to be checking out today is Anvil, and the song we're going to be checking out is March of the Crabs by Anvil. I was told that this is an instrumental, so yeah. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. Oh. Okay. I like it. Okay. The guitars and the drums are going ham. Oh, the drum fill. So tasty. Love this part. That was a nice introduction to Anvil. So that was my first time listening to Anvil. Wow. Anvil was the top voted new band to check out on the channel. I like a week ago I had a poll with 4 bands to check out, and the top voted was Anvil, and then there was a poll for what song we checked from Anvil first, and the top one was March of the Crabs. Yeah, it was, the drums gave that military army vibe. So what of the crabs? Who are the crabs that are marching to this beat? Wow, what an instrumental, man. The drums and the guitars went ham. I really like that switch and the drum rolls that went into it. They were tasty stuff. Anyway, that was my reaction to March of the Crabs by Anvil. So feel free to comment down what Anvil song we should check out next. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. So as always, a big shout out for all the Patreon heroes for supporting the channel. So thank you so much to Space Cowboy, Joe Church, Jimbo, Treyman, Jimmie V, Susan, Wenwei, Taylor, Armac, Brad Baker, HiddenEye, and Shadow Shape for supporting the channel. And if you'd like to request songs and vote for upcoming reactions just like this one, head over there on the Patreon, and link is down in the description. So yeah, just like I said, make sure to comment down your thoughts regarding this song, and make sure to comment down what Anvil song we shall check next. In these comments down here, it says the first 3 Anvil albums planted the seeds for what the big 4 metal big 4, I guess, big 4 bands cultivate in the 80s. So I guess they were a big inspiration back then to a lot of bands. So these are like the early metal developers or something like that. So I have no idea who these guys are or the band is. So I want you guys to comment down more details and let me know what song we shall check next from them. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.